Hi, I'm Larry, your host of Tea with Larry, where I'm telling it and spelling it, but not too much because the boy's gotta have some secrets. Oh, okay. Alrighty, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Now, before I go ahead and jump into today's segment, you know I gotta go ahead and give you a little bit of that extra tea that I know you love. Tyler Henry, star of Hollywood Medium, will be back with a brand new season. I wonder what Tyler's going to be seeing for us this season. Looks like we're going to have to go ahead and tune in to find out. And also, if you are a Real Housewives of Jersey fan, I know I am. I love me some Teresa Giudice and I love me some Melissa Gorga, honey. But remember way back there was Danielle Staub, and then she suddenly reappeared. Her and Teresa went ahead and kind of made up and became super besties. Well, in this current season, the 8th season of Real Housewives of New Jersey, it appears that it was mainly focused the past few weeks of the episodes on Danielle Staub's wedding to her beau, Marty Caffrey. And let me tell you, we really thought this was going to be the one. They appeared so in love and so happy, and she was like total bridezilla and totally over the top. And they were just so excited to have their big day. Well, according to Celebrity News, it appears that Danielle has already gone ahead and filed for divorce. And according to the reports, it has been cited that she is saying that her husband Marty is estranged, that he is distant and abusive, so she has gone ahead and already filed for divorce. Kind of a little different twist from, oh my god, we're so in love and we just want to spend the rest of our lives together. Kind of makes you wonder if it was strictly just for the ratings. Looks like we're going to go ahead and have to tune in and find out. Maybe we'll get a little bit of the story in the reunion with Andy. You never know. Alright, well, let's go ahead and jump on into today's segment. Okay, so I'm already going ahead and I'm rocking today's look. Now, if you know me, you know I love a beautiful spice. I am crazy about a pinky nude brown, and I am absolutely ecstatic about a vintage red. We're not talking like that orangey red that maybe like your grandma or your great aunt wears. We are talking about a true vintage red, like 1940s red. What am I talking about? Lip color. Hello. Now, I went ahead and I got introduced to this line when I got hired to do a product for Kohl's. I went ahead and I got hired to work there a few days promoting a new skincare line that they had just gotten in. And while I was on break, I decided I'm going to go ahead and see what cosmetics line they carry. And that's when I discovered today's product. I am talking about the Balm. And Balm cosmetics have been around for quite a while. What I really love is I love their packaging. Everything has a vintage feel. They definitely go retro. And especially in today's product. Now, this lip color is one that I carry in my kit all the time, and it is Meet Matte Hughes. Like I said, it has more of a matte finish, so if you tend to lean towards more of the shiny lip colors, this is not going to be something for you. But if you like the look of, let's say, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip colors, this is definitely comparable to that. It has that beautiful matte finish and no smudge. Nope, does not move at all. So it definitely has that staying power that will last you throughout the day. Now, when you want to go ahead and remove this, definitely I would suggest getting a makeup remover. Soap and water really isn't going to go ahead and cut it. And trust me, I found that out the hard way. So, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these colors for you, and I feel that you are going to want these in your kit. I definitely think you're going to love these. And like I said, this is not the complete collection. These are just a few of the shades that I carry because they are ones that I use a lot of. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start out with Trustworthy. This is that beautiful, rich spice brown. And that is this right here. That is just beautiful. And a lot of You know, spicy browns, I'm not really crazy about. They either tend to be too coppery or have too much brown, so I absolutely love that. And I am next going to swatch today's lip color that I am rocking right now. I'm going to get a little more because I use this one a lot. And this is Trustworthy. And this is Sincere. I'm sorry. This is Trustworthy. This is Sincere. And as you can see, it's that beautiful, beautiful pinky nude brown shade that is just so, it's a perfect everyday look. And last, I'm going ahead and doing that vintage red. And this one is called Devoted. I use this one a lot for clients that are wanting more of a retro look. And like I said, it is just, look at that. Like, that is a beautiful, beautiful classic red. That is a true blue red right there. And like I said, these definitely dry with a very matte finish, and they will last you throughout the day. They don't come off when you are drinking, eating, leaning in to give a kiss to a best friend or a loved one. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna leave that link below so that way you can go ahead and check it out. I love these lip colors, and I definitely think you are too. And who knows, you may go ahead and find another product by the Balm that you absolutely love. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks again so much for joining me. Now remember, you know, if you have a topic or a product you want me to feature on the show, definitely go ahead and let me know. Hey, if you have a favorite lip brand that you want me to go ahead and try out and do a review on, leave me a comment below and I will definitely go ahead and check that out. Also, if you have a beauty question that you want me to answer, you know you can always reach out to me either on my Instagram, my Snapchat, or my Facebook page, and I will make sure that I get that answered for you. Well, like I said, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks again so much for joining me. But before you go, remember to go ahead and follow me on social media. I would love to hear from you. And guess what? I gotta go, 'cause I gotta go ahead and catch up on some tea of my own.